Ow.
You know, billboards don't have actual teeth.
Sorry, it's been a really long time since I've been out in the field.
How long is a really long time?
It's about 440 years, give or take. Oh, there's another one.
Welcome back to Brick2 Buddies. Today I will show you how to build Tooth Fairy from Rise of the Guardians. The first thing you're going to need to get her is the hairpiece from Joker. You're going to need a head with pink makeup and eyeshadow. For her wings I used transparent blue talons attached to a neck bracket using a clear bar stud. Moving down, you will need the torso of the blind bag ghost. And you can keep the arms, but get her some yellow hands. Then we gave her a sand blue hip piece, connected to some regular blue legs. And for her tooth containers, we gave her a power canister from the Speedster Pursuit. That concludes this week's video, but don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss how to build any of the other members of the Guardians.